Good day, our dear accreditors. I will be presenting Area 9 on Quality Assurance Culture. Quality assurance culture at West Visayas State University is a culture adhering to quality and excellence. WVSU is imbued with a culture of excellence entwined with sustainability and dynamism in the performance of its function to become a formidable institution not only in the national scale but in the international region. This is clearly stated in the university's vision, which is to be the center for educational excellence in the Visayas and a hub for human resource development in Asia-Pacific region. The university has taken leaps to ensure quality assurance in its undertakings with the creation of the Office of Instruction and Quality Assurance approved by the Board of Regents in 2007. The office is located near the University Accreditation Center in the main campus. The Instruction and Quality Assurance Office is under the Vice President for Academic Affairs and is working closely with all the colleges of the main campus and all satellite campuses. The IQA office is manned by the director with 2 associate directors, the Associate Director for Instruction and the Associate Director for Quality Assurance, and by 5 committed staff who are instrumental for the smooth and successful delivery of services of the office. Organizational structure of the Office of Instruction and Quality Assurance approved by the Administrative Council highlights the different quality assurance committees: the Faculty Evaluation or INBISI 461 Committee, the Instructional Materials Evaluation Committee, the Curriculum Review Committee, and the Quality Assurance Board, composed of the Institutional Accreditation Board and the Internal Quality Auditors team. The approved organizational structure paved the way for the creation of QA offices in all satellite campuses, and the approval of the designations of QA coordinators of satellite campuses and colleges of the main campus, with a deloading of 9 and 3 units every semester, respectively. The activities conducted by the IQA office are aligned to the quality policy statement of the institution in the performance of its trilogy of functions in instruction, research, and extension. The quality policy guides, inspires, and reminds the faculty and staff of their important roles in providing quality services to stakeholders. The willingness of the faculty and staff to do their best to provide quality education and to unite to ensure professionalism and compliance to work standards are part of the pledge. What are the mandates of the office? First is to ensure quality and excellence in the offering of curricular programs. Second is to initiate and support policies to ensure high standards of performance. The IQA office also facilitates quality review processes and visits. The office opens its arms to help other institutions. To date, at least 50 benchmarking activities were facilitated by WVSU for SUCs all over the country. To accomplish the mandates, the Office of Instruction and Quality Assurance has its own budget, amounting to more than $1 million each year. This budget is augmented by the budget of the colleges and campuses for their QA activities. Now, what are the best practices in quality assurance? There are actually a lot. First is the crafting of the 5-year quality assurance plan. The QA plan gives directions to our yearly targets and activities. All our QA coordinators regularly meet to review and plan for whole-year QA activities. This enables us to submit our programs for accreditation on time. There is a strong support and harmonious collaborations of the members of the WVSU community for QA activities, as evidenced by the WVSU members of the Institutional Accreditation Board coming from different campuses, helping and learning with each other during the pre-visit or mock accreditation of programs. Also, system-wide audit of processes is conducted by the WVSU internal auditors. Another best practice is the standardization of course syllabi across the university system with curriculum mapping embedded in the syllabus. This is to see to it that all course learning outcomes are aligned with the program outcomes, to the WVSU institutional outcomes, as well as to the teaching, learning, and assessment strategies. Syllabi workshop is also done every year. Presence of University Learning Assessment Center in charge of intermediate and terminal assessment of students to determine if desired competencies are achieved. The University Learning Assessment Center spearheaded the crafting of the University Assessment Policy and Guidelines. WVSU is using the Integrated University Information System, which facilitates online enrollment, payment through banks and SM outlets, and for instruction, especially on the use of online portal for distance education and Google Classroom for remote learning and the conduct of faculty evaluation. There is also a provision of test analyzer to help the faculty in checking the midterm or final examinations and doing item and reliability analysis of these major examinations. The existence of Institutional Accreditation Board and internal quality assurance team coming from different campuses and colleges. Capacity building activities are also provided for our accreditors and auditors. In fact, WVSU is one of those few universities in the country authorized by AACUP to conduct preliminary survey visit of programs. In WVSU, QA activities are the concern of everyone. That is why members of the QA board are not only members of the teaching staff, but also those who are not teaching. Another best practice of the institution is the presence of the Instructional Materials Evaluation Committee for both the local and university. The committee is composed of content specialists, expert in IM preparation, e-resources technical specialists, and a language critic. Honorarium is provided for IM writers and evaluators. We have also a committee designated to review the curriculum regularly. For review of curriculum, the local committee is chaired by the dean, the university committee by the director of instruction and quality assurance. Varied stakeholders are invited to evaluate the proposed curricular innovation. To monitor the yearly accomplishment in terms of compliance to accreditation recommendations, conduct of classroom observation and faculty evaluation, a QA monitoring staff is designated. Another best practice is submitting the institution to international benchmarking to make the programs be at par with international standards. We are very happy that we received 3 stars from QS rating system and 4 stars from the regional rating system, the University Performance Metrics, or UPM. There are categories receiving 5 stars from QS rating. These are categories in teaching, facilities, inclusiveness, and social responsibility. For UPM, education category received 5 stars also. Everybody is aware of QA activities of the institution. The list for the year is disseminated to stakeholders through a memorandum. What are our strategies to sustain excellence? We commit to continue embarking on program and institutional accreditation. submit to ISO certification and international benchmarking to meet international standards, and to ensure that our quality management system is in place to deliver quality programs and services. To continue the yearly conduct of performance review and budget forum. Getting feedback from stakeholders through client satisfaction survey, employer satisfaction, and yearly implementation of the strategic management performance system to make certain that heads of unit, faculty, and staff are accountable of their targets. Subject programs to curriculum review and enhancement to ensure that programs follow CHED CMO and continuously addressing the needs of the present times. We see to it that our programs have certificate of program compliance. We continue to give syllabus to our students on the first class meeting, continuously conduct classroom observations, and continue to conduct the yearly search for outstanding teacher, researcher, and extensionist. Since programs are submitted on time for accreditation visit, now program of WVSU was downgraded to a lower accreditation status. Effective quality assurance plan also results to high passing percentage in licensure examination. WVSU consistently achieve higher percentage than the national passing percentage. For 5 years, the yearly rating for main campus is at least 81%. For licensure examination for teachers elementary level, the passing rate for the last 5 years is at least 85%. And for licensure examination for teachers secondary level, the passing rate is at least 78.4%. For physician licensure examination, WVSU got at least 92% with 100% passing rate in 2019. And for nursing licensure examination, the passing percentage is 100%, except in the year 2017, where the passing rate is 99.21%. Aside from high passing percentage in licensure examination, WVSU is known as the home of the top-notchers. A total of 58 top-notchers were produced by the university since 2014, with 15 top-notchers in 2018 and in 2019, and with top 1 placer for the year. The top-notchers are from all the programs of the main campus with licensure examinations. WVSU is the center of excellence in teacher education and center of development of 3 programs: nursing, forestry, and agriculture. 100% of accreditable programs in the undergraduate level are at least level 1, with more level 4 in the main campus. WVSU is awarded as a delivering higher education institution for scholarship programs of DOST and CHED, and the only level 4 SUC in the region. It is also a service provider for trainings organized by DOST and CHED. An ISO 9001-2008 certified institution in 2015 and ISO 9001-2015 certified since 2018. There are many awards related to quality assurance that were received by WVSU from AACUP and CHED Region 6. These include being the top-performing SUC for having achieved Level 4 re-accredited status, the first SUC in the Philippines to undergo AACUP Level 4 Phase 1 and Phase 2 visits. WVSU was given Rank 2 and Rank 3 in 2015 for most number of programs accredited. The WVSU Instruction and Quality Assurance Office received the Most Outstanding Internal Quality Assurance Unit in 2018 and the Most Improved Quality Assurance Unit in 2019. Not only the institution received prestigious awards, but also the faculty of the university as well. WVSU students and alumni are also given recognition to lead public or private organizations. WVSU is known not only nationally, but also internationally. At present, there are ongoing collaborations with international partners like University of Justo and University of Groningen, to name some. Indeed, the image of WVSU among the different stakeholders, alumni, students, parents, faculty, staff, heads of units, industry partners, community partners is very positive. Very positive in terms of commitment to academic excellence, in the development of interpersonal relationship, in terms of its image in the national level, and its contribution to the community. The very positive image of the university is affirmed by the 5 stars rating of QS Stars and UPM on the areas of employability, students and employers' satisfaction, and social responsibility. The results inspire us more to work hard to sustain quality and excellence in our programs and services. We strive to do better every day to attain excellence in our work. Mediocrity has no place in our institution, because in West Visayas State University, excellence is always a tradition.